Thank you so much. My name is Muthoni Wambogo. I welcome you all from the diaspora, wale wako hapa Kenya, and I welcome you to this amazing show. This is Nyarari Voices, and I'm your host, Charity Wambogo. And today we are blessed to be with one of the most performing CEO in this nation, Mr. Joel Jamhuri, CPA. Na tunafurahia sana in Kikuyu Sub-County, Kiambu County, and this Nyarari platform focuses on all issues, leadership, family, health matters, and we are here because we want to know more about PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. Karibuni sana na Mungu awabariki for tuning in as we continue with this amazing interview. Karibu sana Bwana CEO. How are you?
Thank you, Charity. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm so happy to be part of this.
Thank you for hosting me.
Thank you so much for inviting us and having time for us. So kindly introduce yourself as we go on with the interview. Na tumefurahia sana. Thank you.
Asante. Viewers, my name is Jamhuri Joel. I'm the CEO of PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, and glad to be here to share information and let people know what we do here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sio wanakuanga wametulia hivyo. Because now, you know, sometimes we normally say, I want to be a CEO, I want to... Nitakuwa nimetulia hivyo. One day, one time.
Yeah, you can. It's all in the mind. It's how you perceive it. So it's more of personal, how you handle it.
Okay.
Yes.
And how is it to be a CEO of such a big institution as Kikuyu Hospital?
Well, it's an honor, Charity, and I'm humbled to have served here and still serving as CEO of PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, Level 5 hospital. It's quite fulfilling to see lives transformed. People come here, they are sick, they go back, they are well, and it's our joy to just make sure that people lead healthy lives and productive lives.
Oh, yes.
That's our business.
Absolutely right.
Yes.
I know you have a journey as the CEO of this amazing institution, and we are interested to know how has the journey been for the Kikuyu PCEA Hospital, because I know you've built a remarkable legacy in the healthcare industry. So how has been the journey?
Thank you, Charity. I believe most viewers know PCEA Kikuyu Hospital started in 1908. That's about 118 years ago.
Oh my God.
Just like an outpost.
Yes.
Just a small dispensary, which was started by missionaries from Scotland, led by one Dr. Arthur. And Kikuyu Hospital has evolved to become a level 5 hospital where we, serve patients from all walks of lives. In 1975, we started our eye unit, and that's our flagship. And in 1998, we started our orthopedic rehabilitation unit, which has been running to date. Then in 2006, we started our dental unit. Again, it's still running. And in 2021, we started our first satellite clinic at Matasia in Ngong. And not to forget that we also have a nursing school that we started in 2020, September. And now we have a population of about 600 students. Wow. And we thank God.
And we've seen that happen. Tumejionea hivi na macho.
Yes, tumeona hiyo evolution ikihappen ya Kikuyu Hospital.